So, big cities, good or bad? Hello, everyone. Today I will talk about the big cities. Are they good or bad? There are many good things about big cities, but also some bad things. Let's look at both. Advantages of big cities: more jobs. In big cities, there are many jobs. People can work in shops, office, or big companies. It is easier to find work than in small towns. Better schools and universities. Big cities have many schools and good universities. Students have more choices for learning. Many shops and restaurants. You can buy anything in a big city. There are many different restaurants with good food from all over the world. Good transport. Big cities have buses, trains, and taxis. People can travel fast from one place to another. More fun. There are cinemas, theaters, concerts, and museums. People can do many fun activities. Disadvantages of big cities. Too many people. Big cities are crowded. There are too many people in the streets. Public transport is often full. Trans, traffic and pollution. There are too many cars and buses. The air is dirty and it is noisy. Expensive life. Rent for houses is high. Food and clothes cost more than in small towns. Less natural. There's not many parks or green places. People see more buildings and less trees. More crime. There is more crime in a big city. People must be careful with their things. Uh, cons- Consolations. Big cities have many good things, but also things. Some people love cities life because of the jobs and fun activities. Others prefer small towns because they are quiet and clean. What do you think? What you like to live in a big city or in small town? And I won't say my option. I think I won't live more than in a big city because I don't really problems with living in a big city with many people or something. If I have a good job and um, a good future, then I can really good reminded that I live in a really good big city um, because I love to do many things and if activities in big cities are more funnier and it's more better uh, better do to do and the restaurants are really good and yes and I love it because there are many people you can find more friends or go and in a small town the traffic and buses have must to wait longer and I don't like to waiting because in big cities they come faster. Yeah, and that I prefer more big cities. Thanks for listening.